Time to install
That gasket.
valve cover gasket. So I was going to use this valve cover because it looked a little better on the outside, but when I got in there started cleaning on it, I think this is the one from the old engine, and you can see it has quite a bit of buildup in there from what looks like maybe a head gasket blew or it sucked in water or whatever it was, but for whatever reason that looks pretty nasty. I'm gonna go ahead and not use that one. This one looks clean on the inside, so we will just use that one. So I just took it out and spray bombed it with some high heat paint. I think that should do it. The idea being that we can kind of reduce the rust on this guy. I let that dry up now, set up, and put it on the engine. Okay, the next thing I gotta do is I'm just gonna clean up this surface right here, this mating surface, so that the gasket will sit on there and seal real well. And to do that, I'm just going to use a little wire brush and zip, 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 doo dah. Okay, so we got both surfaces cleaned up. That's all ready to go. I got the cover painted. The next thing that I did was I took all the bolts and ran the bolts through the glass cabinet. So now they're cleaned up pretty good and they look like that. So we're gonna paint them. This is what the end result is. We got the gaskets back in, bolts are back on. It's not perfect, but I think it'll do for what we're looking for. It just looks like we put some time and attention to it, so that'll do. Okay. Oil filter seal. We're not going to do the rear main seal. We cleaned the oil and grease. We separated the trans. We did the valve cover gasket. We're not going to take the exhaust cats off. The alternator took off. We took that off. T-case bracket, shift linkage. No, that'll all be next time. Well, we made some progress. That's it for today. I don't know where this is going to end up on episodes because we shot a lot of footage this weekend and it's all on my computer, so I don't know what it's going to look like. But couple more days, we'll be back at it again, and then we'll see you then. We'll make good progress.
Like this video.
Like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping out.